I'm Tarotist Maggie Norton, and I'm bringing you the Tarot card of the week. This week we've chosen the King of Pentacles. Wonderful card, wonderful card. This is the culmination of the whole Minor Arcana. Okay, all 56 cards of the Minor Arcana come to meet here at the King of Pentacles. Beautiful place. This represents the teacher. And what it means is that you have attained a level of mastery or many levels of mastery, and now you're here to be an example into the world. So as a tarot card of the week, realize people are going to take notice of you. So the example that you put out there, people are learning from. People are taking notes. People will come and ask you, how did you get to be there? You know, what did it take for you to be able to do X, Y, Z? You do not have to seek people out to show them. You are literally the example. You will draw people to you that need to learn from you. You'll become the teacher this week. You'll impart your wisdom. You'll show people a new way of life, a new way of manifesting what you want to create in your life. And people will be learning by what they see that you've manifested in your life. So if you're doing what you need to be doing and how you're doing it, people are learning from you. If you're not doing what you need to be doing, people are learning from you as well. Okay, you're going to be an example one way or the other. But people will take notice and take notes of, oh, that's how you did it, or that's how you did it. And don't be shocked when everyone comes to ask you how you got to where you are today. It's so important that we share the wisdom of our journey, especially when people ask us. So open up, become the teacher this week, become the example that you want to put out into the world, because people are watching and people are noticing. And with one person, you could shift their whole concept of how to be a better person or a worse person or any person. It doesn't matter. But we become examples and we're shifting the reality that is drawn to us just by being. Okay, there's a lot of power, a lot of potency here, but you're definitely ready to share yourself and your wisdom with others. So enjoy your week and have fun teaching.